Radhe Radhe and good morning to you all. I Chandan Singh welcome to you all in this YouTube channel of Special Child Welfare Organization. I am making this video for those who don't know Hindi, so I thought of shooting this video so that they can also earn money and understand the mind-blowing business module of this organization. So this is a NGO non-government organization in the name of Special Child Welfare Organization established in 2016 in UP at Mathura by our respected sir Sri Satyapal Singh ji, who is chairman also of this organization. I really salute you, sir. Later in 2018, Government of India approved this organization, and today around 80 lakh subscribers are there of this organization and has got 24 YouTube channels and 12 websites, which are the main earning sources of this organization. The main purpose of this organization is to provide work from home to those who are unemployed and help the needy children. So here it won't be possible for me to give each and information regarding this organization, but definitely I'll be covering up the basic informations. So there are two earning platforms of this organization as far as we members are concerned. One is splstudy.com and the second one is splcash.com. So we have to get ourselves registered free of cost as far as SPL study is concerned. After that, in case we want to earn the money, then we have to get our ID activated by paying 200 rupees. And this money, this 200 we get back in case we seriously do the work with the organization. What we have to do is we have to use the social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook and WhatsApp. We have to watch the videos of our respected members published by them. We have to watch the video, like, share and comment on this. We have to subscribe all the channels. By doing this, we help of each other, and by doing this, we move ahead, we go together, we help of each other, and we progress together. If you refer one person, you get a lot of income from one person. Like this, you keep on getting. Like referral income, you get 10% of total income referred by you. Then there are 5 designations, 5 ranks, right from subscriber to superior, and your income keeps on increasing as and when you achieve the ranks and designation. Then there is a mind-blowing income which I like most. Your income, your self-income is multiplied by your active subscribers, and then this income is again multiplied by your tenure, and plus you get repeat income. Suppose whatever income you have got in the last month, the same income you get the next month plus the current month income, and this keeps on going. So this is again mind-blowing income. Then the second platform is splcash.com. Here we get income from publishing our videos. We get income of that. Then writing the blogs, again we get the income of that. Then 7-level income in crores we get. So this is all from my side. My request is if you subscribe this channel, you get the blessings of all poor children, because total money earned by this channel goes to the welfare of needy children. So please subscribe this channel, like, share and comment this channel. In case you need more informations regarding the organization, you can contact me 9654209897. Please take care of yourself and take intensive care of your family members. I will meet you again in my next video with new informations. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.